Two cups of the same mass and size were hung at the opposite ends of the balance. A lit candle was placed under cup A and the balance tilted and cup A moved upwards. So at first, before the candle was placed under cup A, okay, cup A has the same mass and the same size. So we have the same mass, alright. The balance B here will be totally horizontal. That's how balance work. A balance will work. Okay, this beam will be perfectly horizontal only if the mass hung here and the mass hung here, okay, equal distance from the center, is perfectly balanced perfectly the same in terms of mass. So we know that cup A and cup B is exactly the same in terms of its mass. When a lit candle was placed under cup A, right, it tilted. Cup A moved upwards, right, and cup B moved downwards. Okay, what this means is that there must be a certain kind of force pushing cup A upwards, and this caused cup B to move downwards. There must be a force upwards, so that this beam here that was at first horizontal and pivoted here, right, must now go downwards. Okay, because there's push up, so this will be pushed down. So which of the following explains why cup A moved upwards? Let's look at A. Expanded air above the candle. Okay, expanded air above the candle is also known as the heated, right? The hot air above the candle flame push cup A upwards, isn't it? Because why? We know that, what do we know? We know that hot air rises, right? So hot air rises, pushes the cup A upwards. Let's look at B. The heat from the candle push cup A upwards. We know that what's heat? We know that heat is a form of energy that makes things hot, right? But heat is not a form of energy that can make things move. Okay, we call that kinetic energy. Energy that makes things move is called kinetic energy. Whereas heat is a form of energy that makes things hot. Okay, so kinetic energy is the energy of movement. Okay, so we know that the kinetic energy is the energy of movement. Here, it is saying that the heat from the candle flame push cup it upward. Heat can't push things. Kinetic energy can. Heat can only make things hot. Okay. C, cup A expanded after being heated, so it moved upward. So it is true that cup A will expand, but because cup A is a solid has a fixed mass. It doesn't mean that when the solid expands, the mass changes, right? You know that solids, okay, have mass, right? Even after expansion. So likewise, if you look at option D, cup A became lighter after being heated, so it moved upwards. Now solids again, cup A is a solid, it has a fixed mass. Even if it expands, the mass remains the same. Okay. So even after expansion, it remains the same. Even after heat expanded it. Right? Okay, so after discussing the four statements here, alright, you decide which one is correct. Look and which one is wrong. There can be more than one. There can also only be just one. They can be all correct except for one. So you decide which of these four statements is the best. Alright, and then answer the MCQ accordingly. Thank you.